Today on the Go Ride channel, more ADD between projects. What is up, guys? I am Howie, and this is the Go Ride channel, where I struggle to publish motorcycle videos every once in a while because I have a very busy work and home schedule. Today, a quick installation and review of the IMS Superstock Footpegs. Now, ordinarily, I would put an Amazon affiliate link in the description of this video, but these things are like $8 cheaper if you just go to Rocky Mountain, and I don't have an affiliate account with Rocky Mountain, so just go to Rocky Mountain. They're $72 at Rocky Mountain. You get free shipping at $75, so if you add like a $3 lever like I did, then you can buy these pegs and get free shipping too. So let's do the unboxing. You guys are gonna see these things at the same time as I am. Oh, be careful. Try not to cut my leg. Boom. That's what we got here. These are the IMS Superstock Footpegs. It appears that these things would also fit my KLR if I ever decide to swap them out. Reason that I'm doing this is I did get an opportunity to ride the CRF a couple of weeks ago, and the biggest issue I had was the footpegs are so worn out that my boots just kept slipping off of them. And I'm not a very good rider anyway, so I need all the help that I can get. So let's go ahead and get these things installed. So installation is actually super simple. There's just a cotter key back here sitting on the outside of a washer. You go ahead and pull that cotter key out, pull the washer off, and then there's a little detent pin. You slide that forward. Foot peg will come off with the spring. There's a new supplied spring that you install with the new foot pegs, and you just throw them in, and then you get the same plexi return. So I'm gonna get to it. All right, so that is the installation complete. Just to further confuse things, the way mine were packaged, the left peg had the right spring on it. So I'm gonna bring it in up close and show you exactly how the spring is oriented, because I couldn't find a really good photograph on that. See, this is right here, this is the long part of the hook on the spring, then the flat spot goes on the peg. Right there, right in there. Hopefully you can see that. That's the foot peg installed. Cut to video riding, hopefully, of me reviewing these. So we're at Prairie City.
In the mud.
It's muddy. And I am fighting my perpetual battle of having the wrong tire and not enough skill. This is the tire we're running. Idiot. And there's just mud everywhere. Bike's set up like a unicorn because I forgot my helmet clip. Hopefully I get some decent footage for you guys, because I feel like every time I try to ride off-road, there's always something happens. And I mean, there's always the issue of me being just a terrible rider. Whoa, super muddy and ruddy. These pegs are actually really good, considering how wet, snotty, and muddy it is out here. These things are keeping my feet on them. I don't have the best boots in the world. I don't have the best talent in the world. So, yeah, for $71, pretty happy with it. One of the things I do want to comment on these is there are less expensive ones that are available on Amazon, but I felt like as far as things to go cheap on, Footpegs really weren't one of them. I'd be curious on seeing somebody else's review of one of the inexpensive pegs that you can get on Amazon, but I didn't want to be that guinea pig. I feel like if you snap a foot peg off, it's kind of a bad day. Yeah. So, moral of the story, given that these were the cheapest pegs on Rocky Mountain ATV MC, I'm good with it. They're a marked improvement over the stock pegs. They didn't cost me a ton of money, so definitely recommend. Like I said, whoa, muddy. I did not put an affiliate link on this video because they're just cheaper if you don't actually get them at Amazon. So, hope you guys got something out of this video. If you get a chance, get out there and go ride.